Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. How are you today?
I am fine.
Hmm. So, Ajinkya, could you just introduce about yourself?
Yes. My name is Ajinkya Palligarjutan. I am in grade 4.
Hmm. Which school do you go to? What is your school name? How many
My
members are
school,
there in family? Mm-hmm.
my school name is Srima Vidyalaya.
Okay. Hmm. So, how many members are there in your family?
4.
Can you tell us about them?
Mother, father, sister, and me.
Wow. So, you have your sister, little younger one, or she is elder?
Yes.
Okay.
She is, she is little
In which standard she is?
in junior KG.
Oh, it's so small. And how about brother? How old he is he?
I don't have brother.
Okay, so sorry. I thought you only mentioned. Okay, my bad. Okay, and what about your mama and dada? What do they do?
My mother works in house and my father goes to office.
Okay, so your mama is a homemaker. Wonderful. Okay, so Ajinkya, could you tell us about your daily routine?
I wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning
Hmm.
and I brush my teeth at 8:30.
Okay.
Then I bath
Hmm.
uh, and at 10 to 12 o'clock I study.
Hmm.
I complete my homework of school.
That's nice.
Then I go to school 1 to 6.
Your school
1,
timing is little bit odd. At what time do you go to school?
1 to 6.
1 to 6. Okay, so do you have two breaks, long break and short break?
Yes, 2 breaks.
Okay, so at what time it must be? Your long break, short break?
Long break is at 3 o'clock
Oh my. Okay. How does
and
short
short,
break at
short break is at 1:45.
1:45. So are you feeling little bit odd time? Are you feeling sleepy in school?
Yes,
Oh,
after 4 o'clock.
hmm. So how do you go to school? By bus or by van? How do you go?
By,
Sorry?
I go by auto.
Auto. Okay, so I think it is nearby only. Hmm. So Ajinkya,
Yes.
tell me about your friends. Do you have friends?
Yes. I have one friend. He stays in my society only.
Wow,
He 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 is from my school only.
wow, that's so nice. Such a coincidence. Good. Coincidence means you are also going the same. He is also going to the same school in same society, isn't it? That is coincidence.
And his homework is not complete. He he tells me to give the book.
He asked your notebook to complete it. So are you helping him then?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. And tell me about your other friends. You have only one friend. Okay? Is that so?
Yes.
Okay. So Ajinkya, tell me about your favorite subject. Which subject do you like most?
Maths.
That's interesting. You like maths? I don't like it, but that's good.
Because in maths I bring so much marks.
That's wonderful. And how about English? You speak so well. You don't like English language?
I like
Mm-hmm. You like it? Okay. So after returning from school, what do you do, Ajinkya? What's your routine after that?
After that, I do class
You attend two classes. My God. So at what time do your classes are there?
6:30 to 7:30.
Okay, one class is there. And after that, at what time?
After that, no class.
Okay, so another class is in the morning.
No.
Okay, so you have one class only, right?
Yes.
I heard two classes you're going. Hmm, that's really nice. After coming to school, you're attending classes also. Wonderful, beta. Okay. And about your sister, are you fighting with her? She's so small. She's so younger to you, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So at what time do you go to bed?
At 10:30 or 10.
Sometimes 8:30, sometimes 10 o'clock.
No. Sometimes 10:30 or 10 o'clock after or 11 or 11:30.
My God, so you are a night owl person. Do you understand what is night owl? Person who is staying up late, है ना? That is called night owl. And a person who is waking up early, that is early bird. Okay, understood? So can you tell me
Yes.
what is early bird?
The person who is waking up early.
Very good, correct. And so, are you a early bird or night owl person? Sometimes night owl, right? Because your schedule is like that. Your school is in afternoon. What you will do, isn't it? So, what
Yes.
about sports? When do you have time to play? Morning time?
No, I don't play. The school only there is sports.
After, oh my God, you're not going out for playing for any sport,
I
skating,
am going to the school.
all things you're doing in school only.
Yes.
There must be some games you must be enjoying after school also, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Oh, so bad, so sad to hear that. Ajinkya, you must take out some time, right? See, you have classes, I think 3 or 4 days, right? After that, you can go. What you're doing then when you don't have class? What do you do? Playing with your sister?
I do work.
No, beta, you can do homework later on also. See, I'm not saying you should not study, but you must take out some time for sports also, right? You know, if we are not playing, we are not physically and mentally fit, isn't it?
My sister plays with me at 10 or 10:30 only. She
Oh,
does not. She does not let me sleep only.
I know. Younger kids are like that only. But at Jinkya, make sure you are taking at least for half an hour. You are going out. You are playing outside game, outdoor games. You understand outdoor games?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay. So promise me from today onwards, you're going to play at least 15-20 minutes. Just take it out. And it's easy, right? And mama will not scold you for that. Okay, beta? So you'll not feel sleepy. You will be energetic. So after class or whenever you get time, just think for half an hour. Okay.
Okay.
So Ajinkya, that was really wonderful session talking to you. So glad to talk to you. So see you in next class. Okay. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Chalo, bye for now. Just a minute. Oh.